Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing a problem on real analysis, and this problem was asked in GATE. So for the previous problem or other problems you can visit this website and the link is given in the description of this video. Let's get to the problem. What is the sum of the following series? So the series is given this 1 by 2 times 3 plus 1 by 2 square times 3, and the general term is this. So we need to find out the sum of 1 by 2 to the power n, 3 to the power n plus 1 by 2 to the power n plus 1 times 3 to the power n. And we need to find out what is the sum of this series. So you pause the video, try for a solution, and then we will discuss the solution. Okay, so I hope you had a solution. So let's see how to solve it. So what is this? That n equals to 1 to infinity this, okay? So how can I write this? See, I already know this equals to n equals to 1 to infinity, because see, what is this? 1 by 2 to the power n, 3 to the power n. And what is this? This is also, if I write down 1 by 2 to the power n times 3 to the power n, and I'll just write times 2. Okay, so this is a geometric series and this is also a geometric series, and I know how to find out the sum of the geometric series. Okay, so this is what I have written, that this I can write 1 by 2 to the power n times 3 to the power n plus 1 by 2 times this. Okay, now what I will do, I'll take 1 by 2 to the power n, 3 by n, 3 to the power n is common, and I have this. And what is this? This is 3 by 2 times 1 by 6 to the power n. Okay, and now I know what is the geometric series and sum. So this, and hence what is the sum? What is the sum? So we know that summation x to the power n is equals to 1 by, so it's n equals to 0 to infinity, 1 by 1 minus x if mod x is less than 1. So this series converges only if mod x is less than 1, and the value of the series is 1 by 1 minus x. Now here it starts from 1. Okay, so it means that what we have to do, so it's like 1 plus x square plus dot 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 equals to 1 by 1 minus x. So we have to find this sum. So summation 1 by, sorry, summation x to the power n equals to 1 by 1 minus x minus x. But what is this? I'll do this. What is this? Sorry, not minus x, sorry. This is 1. Okay, so what is this? This is 1 minus 1 plus x by 1 minus x, and this is x by 1 minus x. And therefore, the sum of the geometric series from n equals to 1 to infinity is x by 1 minus x. Okay, and therefore we will apply the same here. So this is x is 1 by 6, so x by 1 minus x. Okay, and what is this? You just need to simplify. This is equals to 3 by 10, and therefore the sum of this series is 3 upon 10. Okay, so thank you for your time and patience. We'll do solve problems. Meet again tomorrow. Just I will remind here you again that I have started problems on CSIR NET, live sessions to interact you more, and so that you can crack the, like you can solve last year problems and do well in the exam. So I've given the link in the description of this video. One of in the last session we did February 2022 linear algebra problems. Okay, in the next session we'll be doing September 2022 last year problems. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.